Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will be showing you how I made this simple wreath for Christmas. So all I have here is just one of the DIY wood signs from Dollar Tree, the one that says Merry and Bright, and then I have this evergreen wreath here from Walmart. I believe it was about $11. So it's already has the greenery on it. And it's a pretty full wreath. Okay, next you will need some white paint. I also have some red berry picks here that I just had laying around. These I believe are from Walmart. I think I got them last year. And then later on I'll show you the other berry picks that I ended up using. And here I just have some buffalo check ribbon from Dollar Tree. I have some burlap ribbon from Walmart. The jute twine is from Dollar Tree. And then my tools, I just have a sponge brush, some scissors, my hot glue gun, some wire cutters, and some finger protectors. And that's all you will need. And later on, I did actually end up using another ribbon, and I will show you that when I get to that part. So the first thing I'm going to do is paint this sign white. Okay, so next I'm just gonna hot glue my sign once it's dry, of course, to the wreath. And then I'm going to go in and start to add my red berries. Okay, so I'm just going to actually the ones that could be just that don't need hot glue that I can just stick through the actual wreath. I will do that. If I have to hot glue it, then I'll do so, but I'm just kind of randomly placing these so that they look like they're popping out of the eucalyptus. So the ones that I am gonna glue, I will clip the stem and just put a little drop of hot glue and not glue it on the actual greenery because I would like to reserve as much of this wreath as possible. So yeah, I'm just gonna put a small dot on the bottom and then find a space where the wreath is. As you can see, the brown wreath that the greenery is on, I'm just going to actually glue it onto that. And I just want it to look like the berries are just kind of popping out of the greenery, like randomly. But guys, this is customizable. You make your wreath look how you want it to look. But I just wanted to just share with you what my thinking was and how I wanted it to look in the end. Okay, so two things here. This burlap bowl was the original bowl that I made, and it just wasn't it for me, y'all. It just really wasn't it. So later I end up changing that, so just ignore that. And then number two, the second thing is the wreath was just looking a little too full for me with all the greenery. So all I did, I was able to just pull out some of the stems that were already with the wreath, just so that it just didn't look so full, if that makes sense. So that's what you just see me doing here. Okay, so here is the second set of berries that I ended up using. These right here are from Dollar Tree. They're just the red berry branches. So I love these. They had like some silver glitter on them. So what, as you can see here, I started to put like little pieces of those berries mixed in like randomly with the other berries that I got from Walmart. So I'm going to show you exactly what I did. So I went ahead and just cut a piece and sort of cut that in 2 pieces. Sometimes I even have to cut it in 3 because the stems are a little on the long side. So like I said, just like with the other berries, I'm just sort of placing these randomly, and it would help to kind of place these where you want them on the wreath before you actually glue it. You know, play around with it and, you know, get the look you like before you actually glue it. And that makes it a lot easier. Alright, so next I ended up taking this black and white striped bow that I got from Walmart, and all I did was make a simple bow. So I'm going to show you here how I made it. I just take a piece of twine and I basically cross over both ends so that they overlap each other, and then I'm going to tie off the middle with a piece of twine. Okay, and next I'm going to take a smaller piece of bow of ribbon to cover the middle of the ribbon, and here I just took the excess from the ribbon that I made, and I actually ended up cutting it down so that it was a little bit skinnier because it was just a little too wide for the bow that I made. So that's what you see me doing here. And then once I have it to the size that I want, I'm going to take my hot glue and just glue it in place. Alright everyone, here's the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial and you stay with me to the end as always. So until the next time, bye.